जी दोस्तों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं अरशद महमूद गुजरात पाकिस्तान से। जैकब अब्बास ज़िला मंडी बावलदीन से आए हमारे पास। जी जैकब भाई, ये पूछना चाहेंगे आपसे, ये जो ट्रांसप्लांट है, आप ट्रांसप्लांट क्यों नहीं करवाया? ट्रांसप्लांट की तरफ नहीं गए आप? ये दोनों तरफ से आपके बाल झड़े हुए हैं, इस तरफ से। पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों को बताना चाहेंगे, पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों को, ट्रांसप्लांट की तरफ आप क्यों नहीं गए और ट्रांसप्लांट के क्या फ़ायदे और क्या नुकसान है? जो आप माशाल्लाह इतने पढ़े लिखे इंसान हैं, आप रिसर्च करके ही आए हैं, सोच बूझ रख के ये नॉन सर्जिकल जो पैच है आप लगवा रहे हैं। ट्रांसप्लांट बल्कि बेहतर था थोड़ी जगह के लिए, आपने नॉन सर्जिकल को किया है प्रेफर, जो है ना, नॉन सर्जिकल को लाइक किया है। प्रोफेसर जैकब साहब आए हैं ज़िला मंडी बावलदीन से। जैकब साहब से पूछेंगे ट्रांसप्लांट की तरफ क्यों नहीं गए आप? जितना हिसाब का झड़ा हुआ था, थोड़ा ट्रांसप्लांट करवा लेते पैच की तरफ। कैसे आपका ज़हन बना, किस तरह आपने सोचा? ये पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों को बताएंगे
Yes, sir.
ट्रांसप्लांट
I
को
would
डिसलाइक
like to.
किया
Yes, yes.
और नॉन सर्जिकल को आपने पसंद किया, ये बताना चाहेंगे दोस्तों
Okay,
को?
I would like to tell the audience who are watching me. I want to explain that why I have never went and why I have never chosen and selected transplant for my hairs. Because first of all, I want to tell here, I know the life of many actors. I know their experience about transplant side by side. I also know that from India, I know many actors, tried their best to transplant their hair, and after that they faced a lot of side effects regarding this. You can become victim of allergy. Your body doesn't feel good, and your head doesn't, your mind doesn't work. You feel a kind of burden. And secondly, I want to add something about the statement of Mr. Sajid Hussain that I have listened. He is telling in his video that he became sick for the 15 days and he was fainted. He was fainted, and so these are the ugly drawbacks of hair transplant. So I know I am educated person, and I teach in different institutions being professor. So I know the side effects that a man may become victim of allergy, a man may become victim of illness, sick, and there are different side effects. A man feels pain in his head, his brain doesn't work properly, and swelling can also be done on this behalf. So that's why I do not want to go for the transplant of my hairs, because I know that it has very serious, alarming, and dangerous side effects for any human being. So that's why I came here for patch of hair, and I know that Mr. Arshad, he is outstanding person. He has completely mastery on his subject. I know that many people, near 1,000 people have taken the treatment of hair and patch without any surgical strikes. So they are feeling very good. I have listened their comments. I have read their comments and statements about Mr. Arshad. So that's why I never went to hair transplant. I think that this is the most simple, modern, outstanding, hilarious and glorious method that this person can do with my hair. That on YouTube, and I saw the experience of Sajid Hussain. He was peeping and giving the message to the entire world in Pakistan that he did transplant of hair by a company, but I could not bear when I saw his head, injured head. His head was completely injured. He became victim of illness. He became victim of allergy. So he also took a lot of medicines. So this is a kind of great burden. Even a man feels pain. Your brain doesn't free, and your brain doesn't work properly. Even I want to go to Salman Khan, I am very famous and legend in the entire world from Indian industry. He also went for the hair transplant, but he also could not reap a suitable, reasonable, and fruitful results from transplant. So that's why I want to say here, the transplant for hairs always went wrong. You do not need to do in these sort of companies. You do not need to go. Rather, you should join Mr. Arshad. You should have a simple patch without any transplant. So this thing will be awesome. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube by Mr. Arshad. I also saw that in the 98,000 plus he has followers on YouTube. I was searching for the treatment of my head, and when I saw the videos, and I have also seen the videos of those people who did transplant on their heads. So their experience went too much wrong, so I was in search of simple patch. So that's why I researched and I observed, and this is my research about Mr. Arshad. I came to know in Gujranwala Hair Club, it is outstanding regarding results. There are no side effects. You do not need to eat any type of medicine. You do not need to have any type of medical treatment. So it is outstanding, hilarious, glorious, and tremendous patch for your head. So that's why when I saw a lot of videos, when I saw the comment of hundreds of people, that's why I came in Pakistan to Mr. Arshad. So the message that I want to give to all the audience who are watching this video, who are in search of hair patch, who want the solution of their hair on the head, who have become bald, I want to give you message that Mr. Arshad Gujranwala Hair Club, the artist name is Mr. Arshad. He is outstanding artist. He is expert, mature, and he is tremendous and fabulous artist. So please visit his shop, visit his office, and do the treatment of your hair. You will find that I have given you nice counsel. I have given you nice advice. You will feel pleasure when you will join this person. I also want to tell you that he behaves very calmly. He's a real human being. He loves human being. He loves his customer. He deals the customer in an artistic manner. He compromises on many things. So he is outstanding person. So number one, artist in entire Pakistan. So please, I want to give a message to those people who are watching me in the foreign countries and the people who are watching me in my own country. Please visit Gujranwala Hair Club and see the art of Mr. Arshad. He is outstanding artist. I decided that I should select this master for the treatment of my hair.